Good evening. How's it going? Today is Sunday, so are you get day off today? For me, it's of course my day off. And what did I do today? Mm, just clean and organize my room and dashboard. I usually use Amazon to buy something where it's really useful and convenient to get something because I'm living in rural area. So compared to Tokyo or Osaka big city, we don't have specific no big and catchy glitchy malls. So Amazon is the biggest shopping mall for me. All right. So I just remember what I should say. Okay, we are talking about dashboard. When it comes to buying something online, then that automatically come with dashboard in order to wrap the merchandise. So in my in my place, it's embarrassing that the dash the number of dashboard tend to accumulate, and I've noticed that dashboard is accumulate too much in my house. That said, I'm a lazy person. I pretend to ignore accumulated dashboards. However, today I was driven by a desire to organize my rooms. It it felt my burden to organize. Though that said, I did it today. And did you notice I'm how can I say? I'm avoiding to use but and. The reason is just because I my sentence don't want to make my sentence simple or childish. That is the reason. And one more thing I have paid attention is avoid um or some fear words as well. My goal is to be fluent, speak English, and in that case, I recognize, I realize that my English flow is really important, and that makes listener to hear my message easily and straightforward. Okay, let's move on another topic. I mentioned anti-icy salt yesterday, and after reviewing my video, I've noticed that I couldn't say salt correctly. As you know that YouTube provides subtitle automatically. After recording, I usually pause my video and check subtitle. Also, I use AI tool to provide subtitles as well. And in previous video, I tried to say salt, but in the sentence, I unfortunately and unconsciously said sword. It's totally different. That's why today I practiced pronunciation using YouTube video powered by Daijiro sensei. It was so useful for me to improve my English speaking skill. Daijiro sensei mentioned rhythm is really important in speaking English. When I speak Japanese, almost all sounds speak the same emphasis equally. Like, can I say, okay, how's it going? In English, this rhythm is preferable, but I try to say it in strong Japanese accent. How's it going? How was it? It's totally different. Alright. That's why I have to force myself to adjust my rhythm and pronunciation to correct English. I believe that allow all listeners or partners to understand my message clearly and easily without stress. This is one of my goal. Alright. Let's get back on track. Yesterday, I stopped by my garage where I park my Porsche. The purpose is to check the car condition. Actually, even in garage, the environment I preserve my car is not so perfect. I check the battery condition and body condition as well. Even in garage, I use body cover to protect the body of my favorite car. It's my prized possessment. I'm really happy because I could use new word which I got yesterday newly. Prized possessment. This means treasure. Alright. And it's March where we can see a sign of spring, and I guess it's already spring has come. That said, I'm hesitating to get my car out of my garage because still there is white patches on the road, which white patches, how can I say? I want to describe what is white patch. It comes from anti-icy salt. We usually use it in snowy day to melt snow quickly. As you already know and be taught in science class, salt will have a power to increase the icing temperature. No. Decreasing icing temperature. That's why the salt is used for snowy road to melt the snow. But we are most afraid is that snowfall will give us the freeze-thaw cycle. Let me describe it. It's snowing at night, and in the daytime, it's a little bit melt. And after that, when evening has come, the temperature is decreasing. Then a little bit melted snow is going to freeze, going to be frozen. That is frozen thaw cycle, and that makes a road very dangerous, icy road. To prevent it, to avoid it, we usually use anti-icy salt to prevent us having traffic accident. All right, and let's move on. The practice about my work and product. Okay, let me talk about some small talk. I'm still struggling speaking English, and sometimes I try to say it quickly and smoothly. If I speak slowly, then I maybe probably manage it. That said, I want to treasure uh, the rhythm of English. That makes me try to speak quick and fast. But it's not good, I guess. So I have to keep my pace to pronounce English clearly and understandably. Alright, let's get back on track. Um, what is that? I should talk. I'm slipping on my mind what I should talk about. Oh, okay. My product and my work. If I arrived the Indian office of my company, then I supposed to introduce myself. It's must happen situation, I guess. Let me try to practice. Namaste. I'm Oga, and I'm elated to come here, India. To be honest, it's been a while to have business trip to go abroad. I really, I've been thinking I could visit overseas for business trip. The reason is just because I want to expand my perspective about my work and perspective. And another reason is associated with expand my possibility about my work. Unfortunately, I have quite few chance to meet clients to know my products contribute to a market or not. So I really am driven by a desire to make the most of this opportunity to know and understand customer feeling and how our products giving an impact to the market deeply. And also, I'm really aim to communicate with you all. I want to talk about and discuss our product or our technology with you. And I just want to get it back to Japan and spread tell of my colleagues to these kind of informations. That's it. Thank you. I'm really happy to happy to do giving you greeting today. That's it. All right. And after that, let me practice sales talk in the exhibition. All right. I'm looking for high precision tester. Could you drop by our booth? We are running the demonstration of our product. Here, this is FA1220. This is a bed of nails type testing equipment for populated circuit board. As you noticed and as you see that all pins are adjusted and allocated to each part of the specific board. So if you press the start button, then this test fixture is going down to the specific board. So there is no movement. So that automatically means the takt time is incredible. It takes just only testing duration. So this is a perfect choice for high volume production line of the same board. Our FA1220 streamlines your mass production line properly and incredibly. Alright. And can you see the next one? This is the FA1240 flying probe type tester. As you can see, this machine allows you to change testing data immediately. This is flying probe type tester, so there are 4 independent arms with probes. This is moved to each part for each steps. And fat slack up in this product is that we have 4-wire probe. This probe is allowed to only FA1240. Other competitors can't realize it. This is our special and number one point. Okay? So using this 4-wire probe, realize 2 incredible incredible features. At first, this is coaxial probe that allows us to contact very small part. It's very crucial point. And after that, 4-wire measurement lead to high precision measurement. As you know, 4-wire measurement system, which called Kelvin system as well, is that voltage line and current line are separated for measurement, and that allow us to eliminate lead and contact resistance for measurement. That means if we want to measure very low register, 1 milliohm or 0.5 ohm, milliohm, then this method is really useful and must have measurement method. So FA 1240 is a perfect choice for high mix, low volume production line like prototype or experiment. Okay? And Hioki were established and forged within the world of electronic measurement. So our measurement system is second to none. So when it comes to reliability, robustity, stability, we have number one technology. So imagine if there is some defective point in your board, but it works well in experiment. But on the other hand, if you're trying to use it for a long time, the defection surface somehow. In that case, avoiding this, a product is contribute to your company. Thank you. That's it.